case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the case of NextGen Capital, LLC v. Consumer Lending Associates, LLC, a dispute was ignited over the unforeseen collapse of an authorizing statute allowing payday loans in Arizona. Consumer Lending Associates, CLA, a Nevada-based business that provided paycheck advances to consumers, found its operation upended on July 1, 2010, when the statute dictating the legality of its services expired. As they scrambled to vacate the premises they had leased from NextGen Capital, NextGen, a post-move lawsuit for breached contract was brewing. NextGen, when faced with the abrupt exit of their tenant, promptly demanded the outstanding rent for the remainder of the lease. CLA, however, contested the demand, asserting that the expiration of the payday loan statute had caused the lease to dissolve by operation of Arizona law. Their defense rested on the legal principle of frustration of purpose, a condition that could potentially excuse them from the remaining financial obligation, as the unforeseen expiration of the payday loan statute rendered their leased space useless. Despite their seeming predicament, the lower court sided with NextGen, ruling in their favor for breach of contract. Undeterred, CLA appealed the decision, introducing the argument that NextGen bore the responsibility to prove mitigation of damages. The Arizona Court of Appeals ultimately upheld the lower court's decision, concluding that CLA had not fulfilled the necessary criteria to invoke the protection of the frustration of purpose. The court found that the impending expiration of the payday loan statute was a foreseeable event that CLA should have accounted for in their lease agreement. Since this oversight was not the responsibility of NextGen, the court affirmed that the latter was deserving of damages for breached contract. Adding to CLA's predicament, the court also ruled that CLA, as the party in breach, shouldered the burden of proving inadequate efforts by NextGen to mitigate the resultant damage. Their failure to provide any evidence to this end only fortified the judgment in favor of NextGen. In conclusion, NextGen successfully emerged from the dispute with an awarded sum of $144,899.06 in damages, in addition to coverage of reasonable legal fees and costs throughout the case. Notably, CLA's identical request for attorney's fees was rebuffed as the losing party. The case hence serves as a significant reminder of the pitfalls of lack of foresight in business contracts.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.